Welcome to the future of digital innovation. We invite you to explore a place where ideas are shaped, where innovation knows no bounds, and where the digital world meets the real one. Welcome to Digital Lab at OST.
We are not simply thinking about the future here at Digital Lab at OST. We are building it. Let's take a look inside. Since 2017, brilliant minds have come together to unlock the potential of digitalization. Let's meet some of the visionaries driving this digital transformation.
By bringing together our unique business and industry know-how from the University of St. Gallen with an innovative mindset here at the Digital Lab, we combine business wisdom with scientific expertise, ensuring your digital initiatives maximize your business growth.
In our state-of-the-art facility, 3D printers bring ideas to life. We don't just talk innovation, we execute it.
From the lab to the shop floor, we transform concepts into reality. Machines and minimum viable products engineered for success. At the lab, Cognizant Consulting is there to guide you through every step of your digital journey, reducing complexity and risks. We take our joint ideas and prototypes from the lab to help you in scaling your digital innovation story to new heights.
While Cognizant is a global organization with vast resources and expertise across numerous technology domains and industries, we are also a locally established company with excellent Swiss-based professionals at your disposal.
We'll empower you with data-driven insights, giving you the competitive edge. Join us at Digital Lab at OST, where the future of digitalization comes to life. Together, we'll turn your digital dreams into reality.